welcome back to our channel Lemon Cone. Today we are cooking up magic with our soft and juicy dahi kebab recipe. It's easy, simple and it's bound to leave you craving for more. Let's jump right in. Start with 80% lean beef mince and 20% fat. Alternatively, you can use mutton or lamb. Chop 3 medium-sized onions finely and knead them into the mince for 5 minutes. This helps in making the kebab soft and juicy. Next, incorporate thick yogurt into the mince. If you find excess water in the yogurt, simply strain it before adding the mix. This ensures a thicker consistency and enhances the overall texture of the kebabs. Add salt, fresh garlic paste, crushed red chili powder, crushed cumin seeds, coarsely ground cumin seeds, coarsely coriander seeds, garlic powder, chopped green chilies. Mix everything well. Introduce baking soda for that extra soft and fluffy texture. Let it rest for half an hour. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out our delicious recipes. Now add 4 to 6 tablespoons of wheat flour to absorb moisture and act as a binding agent. Shape the mixture into kebabs. Form a compact ball with the mixture. Gently press them to achieve a slight flattening and then form them into well-defined kebabs. This ensures even cooking. Heat some oil and fry the kebabs on a medium to high flame for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Don't overcook, otherwise they become hard. Voila, your dahi kebabs are ready to be served. Pair them with naan, green chutney and onions for a perfect meal. We already shared green chutney in our Kathiawadi chole recipe. Link is also in description. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and share. Until the next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.